Right. All right. We're back here on Hazel. Tom's lovely 64 Country Squire. This is the replacement filler neck rubber coupler tube hose. Masterful Chingaderas. Right, Scott?
Oh, yeah.
Masterful Chingaderas. Look, you can see Scotty's little feetsies over there. You're like a foot model.
Hold on, let me get my best foot forward.
Oh my god. So there's Scotty. He's gonna pull the neck tube out of the fender because we want to mock this up, and it's a little hard to test fit stuff when it's sitting on top of a frame and doing the Watusi and what have you. Now, we've checked on our tank already, which, as you can see, is over there. I got that back from Gary a couple weeks ago. Gary's the man, the myth, the legend. It's beautiful. Boy, is it going to be a fight to get this on there. But Scotty's determined, and I'm stubborn as a mule, so between the two of us, what does that mean, Scott?
It means it's going to hopefully be fixed today.
I'm trying to see you. Oh, there you are.
Hey! Hi!
Alright, so we're on it. I'm not taking a nap, I swear, Scotty. I've been on my feet all day, though, and I'm kind of bitchy, so it does feel good to just be here for a second.
You don't hear me say anything?
That's not what you said when the camera was off.
Yeah.
You called me a whore bag. Are you pulling out? Spin it. Dreidel, 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 I made you out of clay. Dreidel, dreidel, dreidel. I don't know. Jesus H. There's enough ancient antique archaeology, baby. What you got? Let me see it. You got the thing? Oh, he's got the thing. Tom, he's got your long, hard shaft. It's got a weird bend in it.
Yeah, I got
Isn't that Peyronie's disease?
I ain't even going there on that one.
And with that, wait for your next clip. Ooh, Scotty, wait. Let me get a close-up of that. Bring it here. Oh, look at the schmegma. Ugh. All right, Scotty's going to go clean that so it's not yucky. Scotty. This is another game of one of these things is not like the other. Even though we gave said vendor, which I'm not going to name them yet because they haven't pissed me off completely, but they're pretty close. Yeah, so,
Yeah. So not only does it not fit there where it's supposed to.
Wait,
I mean, we understand you got to have a little bit of pressure to go on. That's too small to even make it on.
yeah.
So I have an idea.
Is this like you and the twinks?
Something along those lines. So I have an idea. I don't want to say it yet.
You have an idea?
Shh. It's a secret.
Well,
So I want to try my idea first and see where we go from there.
are you going to give it a little hot tip? Spit on that thing?
Yeah. Let me wash up.
Ooh. The doctor needs to wash his hands. Scalpel!
Sutures.
Industrial strength bag of Viagra.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that sexy son of a bitch over there.